How to fix DNS server not responding in Windows? First step, open run and type the following text. Services.msc, type it and click OK. Scroll down and search for DNS client. Click it, right click, click properties. The startup type should be in automatic and the service status should be in running mode. Make sure it and refresh it. Move on with next step. Disable and enable your network adapters. Open run and type the following text ncpa.cpl. Click OK. A network page will appear. In this, if you are using Ethernet, go with Ethernet. If you are using Wi-Fi, go with Wi-Fi. Right click and disable it. Wait for 5 to 10 seconds. One more time right click and enable it. Once enabling complete after, move on with next step. Search for command prompt. Right click, click run as administrator and type the following text. ipconfig space / DNS. Click enter. Next command ipconfig space / release. Click enter. Next command ipconfig space / renew. Click enter and exit it. Once exit after, you need to restart your device. After restart, move on with next step. Open command prompt one more time. Right click, click run as administrator and type the following text. netsh space winsock space reset. Click enter. netsh space int space ip space reset. Click enter. Type exit. Once exit after, you need to restart your device. After restart, you can check if the problem still remains. Then the last and final step, click settings. Click network and internet settings. Scroll down, click advanced network settings. Click network reset and click reset now. Thank you.